I want to cry already. So this is a handwritten testimonial from my client, which she is very apologetic about lah, because she says it's long overdue. But I feel so touched. Like, she bothers to write handwritten, plus then mail out to me. It's so funny. She could have just read handwritten and then pass to me when we were having drinks, but then she chose to mail to me. So cute. !aiyo! !aiyo! Your nice client 称号不是盖的。So anyway, I'm very touched lah. Thank you. All this means a lot to me. It's not so much the project. See, I want to cry already. It's not so much the project. Sometimes it's the relationship you build along the way. Yeah, so I mean, I cherish lah. Shit, man, why am I crying first thing in the morning? Lucky I'm wearing sunglasses. You cannot see my face. I cover my face. Yeah, so it's the heart, and it's the appreciation, no. So thank you. Yeah, for those who always ask me, why am I like always going over and beyond my responsibility for clients. This is the answer lah. Shit, cannot talk already lah. Yeah, talk when I can. Die lah. Later I have filming. Later my eyes 静静 like that, how? Filming for a TV program. Okay lah. By that time I think my eyes were 安静 already. So anyway, as I was saying, yeah lah, the friendships I built along the way, I think they are super duper precious. So not about money or portfolio in general lah. What, man, I still can't do this. Okay, don't do already. Bye. Okay, change location now. After a drive. No crybaby already. Okay, so who would have thought a simple handwritten testimonial can make me tear until like this? So unglam. But as I was saying, it's not the money sometimes, it's not the portfolio, it's the relationship or friendships that you build along the way with clients. Those that touch my heart are those who will understand my situation and appreciate the effort that I put in. So yeah, Jen is one of them. Yeah, so I think the relationship between designer and client, right, can be a very superficial one because I've heard comments from my photographer saying, come on, you're very unique because I see your relationship with all your clients are all very good one there, like friends like that lor, like you all are really the very pally sort. Whereas I see a lot of other IDs with their clients are like very, very business like one. Don't dare to say more. Also like very serious serious and reserved, guarded. Whereas you are like, wow, I see all your clients like you a lot like that, like pally. I mean, I think designer and client's relationship can go both ways. And in general, I always feel individuals are like mirrors. How you treat people will be how people treat you. So if you want people to be nice to you, you must first be nice to people. So and I am usually the 不计较 one. If I can do more for you, I'll do more for you. I will not say, wow, I do a lot already leh. Cannot already. Cut back. I won't go and calculate lor, because sometimes, I mean, actually, it's most times relationships and friendships are not like transactions. Not say you can get back how much, then you give how much. So I think my clients can feel the sincerity as well. Hence, you have all these cute little notes, testimonial notes. So this is one of the things that I live for when I do projects lah. I mean, not live for handwritten testimonials, but live for very real friendships. After the projects, sometimes I can even go drinking with my clients, go buffet lunch and all that. So it goes beyond the business relationship already, because project ended already mah. But the friendship will forever be there one. So that's all I have to say lah, before I start to cry again. So I'm bloody soft shell Cancerian crab. So I'm the Cancerian crab, but my shell is bloody soft, so like marshmallow like that. When you trigger my point, I'll very unglam. But then that makes me who I am lah. I'm real as fuck. So if you can see this side of me, means me and you are okay. If I show you the business face all the way means something is very wrong somewhere. So anyway, today I'm filming. Damage is done already. I think I look very cui already, but maybe I'll wear my glasses so that it can hide the cuiness somehow. Okay, bye-bye. I just want to share this. Bye.